All right, so this one says, which statement describes the end behavior of the exponential function 2 raised to the x minus 3? So the easiest way to look at end behavior is just to plug this into a calculator. So I'm going to hit the 2, and then I'm going to raise that to the x minus 3, and then I'm just going to hit graph. And so as we look at the graph here, when they say the end behavior, what they're talking about is what does it do? What does it do? In fact, I'm just going to take a picture of it, and we'll put it on the screen. What is my behavior as x approaches infinity or negative infinity? That's what end behavior is. So let's just put it right here on the slide so we can see it. So let's just go through and read the options and see what they say. So it says for very high x values, f of x move towards positive infinity. So now what they're saying is as I go towards the positive x direction, as I go towards x towards positive infinity to the right, f of x, my y value, goes towards positive infinity. I actually believe that's true, but I'm gonna check that off the list. Or I think that's the answer. I'm gonna select that as my answer and go through the other ones and see if I'm right or wrong. So it says for very high values of x, f of x moves negatively. No, that's just a straight up contradiction. Then the next one is for very high x values, f of x moves towards a horizontal asymptote. Again, that's not true. A horizontal asymptote would look like this. So if I have a grid, like this is my xy plane. Asymptotic behavior means it never crosses a threshold. So a horizontal asymptote would look more like this. Because basically what it's doing is it's going towards a point, but it looks like it's never going to cross that point. Okay? So that's asymptotic behavior. And then it says for very low x values moves towards negative infinity. So they're saying as we go very low x values that this is going towards negative infinity, and that's not true. It looks like it's approaching 0. If anything, it looks like it's approaching horizontal asymptote towards the left, but not towards the right. Okay?